Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. Hi everyone. Today I am showing you the progress that I have made on my Tree of Life macrame project. I am really enjoying working on it, and I'm learning more and more about using the beads and everything. And I am getting close to completing it, so I'm really excited. So I want to show you where I am at this point. So as you can see here, I have made quite a bit of progress on the piece. I have incorporated a row of beads here, which is where I was at the last video. And then I've done more rows of the half hitch knots and then incorporated a second amount of beads. Now, if you can tell here, I am starting to work on the trunk portion here. And so I'm combining the cords here and then bringing them into a central piece right here. So that's kind of where I am. And I'm going to do a little bit of work on it today. So if you guys want to work on a project, please, by all means, go ahead while I continue to work on this. All right. So let's get working. Okay, guys, so I am back. I have gotten the tree portion completed and I am so happy. I really like the way it's turned out. So now the last portion is going to be to get all of these cords then to be fixed to the bottom part of the ring here. And I'm going to have to read the directions a little bit more in order to understand exactly how they want me to do that. So I thought that this would be a good place to stop right here. So as you can see, I combined the various grouping of chords together, and then I brought them into the central trunk. And then I continued to go back and forth as I combined them until I got them all here. And I don't know if you could tell that as I was trying to combine them, I really tried to look for the longest cord so that I would end up with a halfway decent amount. And I still do have quite a bit of cord remaining. So I'm okay there and I didn't run out of anything. But I really do like the way it is ending up. And I think at the next video, I should be able to show you guys the finished one. I should be able to work on it and complete it. So this is really fun, and I'm glad that I did pick up this kit. It has really sparked a lot of inspiration and whatnot. And I'm really thinking about something and I'm inspired even more. So please stay tuned. I will let you guys know what that inspiration is. I'm working on it. And I think you guys are going to get excited too. All right. So that's all I have as far as this is concerned for today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution from the last video. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. So once again, I am really having a good time with this. I'm enjoying doing the puzzles with you guys. Thank you so much for participating. It really means a lot. Now, there are a few giveaways that are going on currently for those of you all who are watching this in real time. So if you haven't watched my recent videos, please go back and check them. The end date is fast approaching, and I wouldn't want you to miss out if it is something that you want to participate in. Okay, so please check those videos out. All right, that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again real soon in my next video. Bye-bye now.